Hey, my beautiful people. Welcome back to SoulSync. Today, we're diving into something that will have you smiling the whole way through. The little things you do that he secretly obsesses over, but will never actually admit. Guys might act tough, chill, or pretend they don't notice. But trust me, these small actions hit them deeper than they let on. And the best part? Most of these things are so natural that you don't even realize you're driving him crazy in the sweetest way possible. So if you've ever wondered what makes a man's heart race when he's with you, even if he won't put it into words, stay tuned. By the end of this video, you'll see how your smallest gestures are leaving the biggest marks on his mind. And before we get into it, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to SoulSync, and comment below which of these things you're guilty of doing without even realizing it. 1. When you randomly hype him up like his personal cheerleaders. One thing he'll never openly admit is how much he loves being hyped up by you. Guys like to act like they're confident and don't need validation. But when you throw in those unexpected compliments, like, wow, you'd actually crush that, or look at you being all smart, it lights him up inside. It makes him feel like you see his potential in ways he doesn't even see himself. And that secretly boosts his ego more than he'll let on. He may brush it off or pretend he's unfazed, but deep down, he's replaying those words in his head over and over. Your encouragement doesn't just make him feel good in the moment. It sticks with him, reminding him that he has someone who sees the best in him. Even if he'd never admit it out loud, he's secretly addicted to the way you make him feel 10 times bigger than he is. And it's not about grand declarations either. It's about the small hype moments, like laughing at his ideas, cheering him on when he tries something new, or even hyping his outfit when he wasn't expecting it. Those little boosts make him feel like he has his own personal cheerleader. And trust me, that's something every guy secretly craves, but would never say. 2. When you steal his hoodie but look better in it than he ever did. He'll roll his eyes and tell you to give it back, but secretly, he adores when you steal his hoodie. The truth is, it's more than just a clothing swap. It's a quiet way of showing intimacy and claiming space in his world. When he sees you wrapped up in something that belongs to him, it triggers a sense of pride, like you're carrying a piece of him everywhere. What he won't admit is that he thinks you look better in it than he ever could. The oversized fit, the comfort, the way you casually throw it on. It's effortless, but insanely attractive to him. It's almost like he gave you a part of himself, and you managed to make it even more desirable. That combination of softness and closeness drives him crazy. And beyond the look, it's the meaning that sticks with him. It's proof that you feel comfortable enough to be in his clothes, his space, his energy. Every time you wear his hoodie, it's a reminder that you've made his world your own, and whether he admits it or not, he secretly loves every second of it. 3. When you laugh at his dumb jokes that aren't even funny. Here's the thing. He knows some of his jokes are ridiculous. He knows half the time they don't even make sense. But when you laugh, really laugh, at something silly he says, it does something to him that he'll never confess. In his mind, he's not just being funny, he's making you happy, and that's what really matters to him. He'll probably play it cool and act like he expected you to laugh, but inside, it gives him a little rush. Guys love feeling like they can be your source of joy, even with something small like a dumb pun or a goofy face. It reassures him that you're not just with him for serious moments, but for the fun, silly, imperfect ones too. And here's the kicker. He starts to feel more confident around you. Your laughter gives him permission to relax and show the lighter side of himself. He may never admit that your laugh is like fuel for him, but trust me, the way you respond to his humor, especially the bad jokes, makes him fall for you a little harder every time. 4. When you playfully roast or tease him. Guys will never say this out loud, but they love when you tease them in a playful way. Giving him a funny nickname, poking fun at his habits, or calling him out on something silly he does, it shows comfort, closeness, and chemistry. He might act annoyed or pretend to roll his eyes, but inside, he's enjoying every second of it. What makes teasing so powerful is that it's layered with affection. You're not tearing him down. You're showing that you notice his quirks and love them enough to joke about. It builds this inside joke vibe between you two, like you're in on a secret world only you both share. That intimacy is something he obsesses over, even if he pretends otherwise. And honestly, guys love a little challenge. Teasing makes him want to step up and banter back, which sparks playful energy that feels addictive. He may never admit it, but being roasted in a cute way makes him feel like you're genuinely invested in him, because you're paying attention enough to notice those little details. When you send him random updates about your day, it might seem like nothing, but guys secretly love when you include them in the little details of your day. A picture of your coffee, a snap of your outfit, a random "look at this dog I saw," these aren't meaningless. To him, they're signs that you think about him during your ordinary moments, and that makes him feel important. He'll never admit it, but he saves those moments in his head. Even if he doesn't reply right away, he's smiling when he sees your name pop up with a random update. It's not about the content. It's about the fact that you wanted to share a piece of your life with him, even when nothing big was happening. And here's the truth. Guys crave consistency and connection, even if they pretend they don't. When you keep him in the loop about your small, everyday things, it makes him feel trusted, included, and special. It's something he won't brag about, but he secretly loves being the person you want to tell first. 6. When you remember the tiny details he forgot he even told you. He may act like it doesn't matter, but when you remember something he told you weeks ago, it hits him hard. Whether it's his favorite snack, the name of his childhood pet, or a random fact he mentioned in passing, when you bring it up later, he's secretly amazed. It shows that you actually listen, and that makes him feel seen in a way he won't admit. To him, this proves that he's more than just background noise in your life. It reassures him that the little things he shares matter to you. And while he might not gush about it, inside he's smiling like a kid, because being remembered is one of the deepest forms of care. And here's the best part. It creates a sense of intimacy that words can't. When you recall those details, it makes him feel like you're building a private little collection of his stories and quirks. He'll never say it, but being remembered like that is something he obsesses over quietly. 7. When you low-key copy his slang or little habits. If he says a phrase a certain way and suddenly you start saying it too, he'll tease you for it. But the truth? He loves it. It makes him feel like he's influencing you in a subtle, personal way. It's like watching your worlds merge, and he'll never admit how much that thrills him. Even little habits, like copying the way he sits or eating something the way he does, hit harder than he lets on. It's a signal that you're in sync with him, and it builds this natural chemistry that feels unshakable. He might play it off as a coincidence, but deep down, he notices and secretly loves it. And here's why it matters. It's about bonding. Mimicking each other creates a rhythm that feels like your own secret language. He won't tell you, but when you start adopting his slang or gestures, it makes him feel closer to you than words ever could. 8. When you randomly touch his stuff and make it yours. He might act protective when you use his things, but secretly, he finds it adorable. Drinking from his mug, doodling in his notebook, or moving something around his space, it makes him feel like you're weaving yourself into his world. Even though he'll never admit it, it gives him a quiet thrill to see you claiming little pieces of his life. It's not about the object itself, it's about the intimacy it represents. When you casually use his stuff, it feels like you're saying, "I belong here." That level of comfort is deeply attractive to him, even if he hides how much he likes it. To him, it's a sign that you're not just visiting his space, you're becoming a part of it. And long after you've left, those little touches linger. Every time he sees his mug or his notebook, he's reminded of you. He may never say it out loud, but those small acts of claiming his space stick with him, making him low-key obsessed with how naturally you fit into his life. So people, those were some of the little things he'll never admit but secretly loves when you do. From stealing his hoodie to remembering the tiny details he forgot, these gestures hit him deeper than he'll ever confess. The truth is, men may act like they don't notice, but they're obsessing over these small, intimate things more than you know. And remember, the magic is that you don't have to force any of this. It happens naturally when you're just being yourself. That's the real reason he can't get you out of his head. So tell me in the comments, which of these are you guilty of doing without realizing it? Don't forget to like this video, share it with your besties, And of course, subscribe to SoulSync for more bold, feminine, and emotional insights every week.